So next I want to talk about roof packages and roof systems. This is probably the most, how do I say this? You could waste so much money on this and not even know it with the wrong roof system. This roof here is, the technical term is, from framers, it's called a cut-up pig. There's a lot of valleys and hips and overbuilds. When you see a lot of angled lines like that, that will usually be an indicator that that's an expensive roof to build. It could look something like this. Now it's beautiful, but maybe you want to spend some of that money on nicer cabinets or other things. So these are what are called hipped roofs. That means there's shingles on virtually every side of the house. An option to that would be a gable roof. I have one on the cover of the book where it's the triangles on each side. Generally, gable roofs are less expensive to build versus a hipped roof because of the required engineering that goes inside the hip package and the hip master trusses and things like that, which is a little more technical, but the guts of it cost more to build. So here's a simpler plan with, you see there's a lot less diagonal lines on it and things like that. This is that house on the cover of the book. This is using a 612 roof where you could walk on it fairly easy and get around to change your Christmas lights or chase a raccoon or whatever. Here's a roof that has the same pitch going front to back, but I've cheated a little bit. I wanted to make it look steep. So on the front gables, it's more of an English cottage. It has a steeper roof like the very first castle picture I showed you, but the main part of the roof is lower. So you save a lot of money doing the main part of the roof lower, but you cheat and make it look expensive by putting the steeper parts just on the front.